The stock market is having one of the worst starts to a year ever, with big names like Moderna and Netflix leading declines, as many of the pandemic-era's top stocks continue to fall out of favor with investors. A majority of the S&P 500's top-performing stocks so far this year are oil and gas companies. Gains are led by the likes of Halliburton, up 37%, Occidental Petroleum, 30%, Hess, 24%, and Exxon Mobil, 23%. That's in large part thanks to oil prices rising for 6 weeks straight, with the price of Brent crude now at around $90 per barrel amid concerns of tight supply and rising demand. Stocks have swung wildly, especially in the past few weeks, as investors remain fearful of the Federal Reserve's tightening monetary policy and rising interest rates. That sentiment has sparked a widespread sell-off in growth and tech stocks especially. The tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite, which is in correction territory after falling nearly 15% since the start of 2022, is on pace for its worst January ever, and its worst month overall since the financial crisis in October 2008, when the index plunged over 17%. With market volatility surging this past week, the S&P 500 also briefly fell into correction territory, at 1.10% below its record high, and now remains close to falling below that level. Stocks fall after Federal Reserve confirms March interest rate hike to fight surging inflation. Forbes stock market panic is setting in as S&P 500 briefly enters correction territory then rebounds. Forbes Moderna Stock Crash Intensifies, losses top $130 billion. Forbes Netflix stock plunges 20% foe.